Hello, and welcome to Pulse Points. I'm Sack Lane, and for the next 10 days, we'll take a deep dive into one of the most powerful organs in your body, the heart. Today, in our very first episode, we'll learn how the human heart works in the simplest way possible. Whether you're a student, a fitness enthusiast, or just curious about your body, this video is for you. What is the heart? The heart is a muscular organ about the size of your fist. It sits slightly to the left of the center of your chest. Its main job? To pump blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients to your entire body and removing carbon dioxide and waste. How the heart works like a pump. Think of the heart as a double pump. It has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Blood flows in one direction through these chambers with the help of valves, like little doors that keep blood moving the right way. Right side of the heart. The right side of the heart receives oxygen-poor blood from the body and sends it to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the blood picks up fresh oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Left side of the heart. Now, the left side of the heart gets this oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body through the aorta, the largest artery in the body. This is how your body gets the oxygen it needs to survive. Heartbeat and electrical system. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. It has its own electrical system called the sinoatrial SA node, often called the natural pacemaker. This system controls the rhythm and speed of your heartbeat, just like a conductor guiding an orchestra. Blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries. The heart can't do it alone. It works with a massive network of blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins bring blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels where the real exchange happens. Oxygen goes into cells and waste comes out. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. It starts beating 4 weeks after conception, before you're even born. A woman's heart beats slightly faster than a man's. Understanding how your heart works is the first step in taking better care of it. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but with knowledge, we can all make smarter lifestyle choices. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, we'll talk about the structure of the heart, from chambers to valves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a beat. Stay healthy and stay curious.